Okay guys, in this session we are going to discuss about the different graph and how to convert the graph and the understanding of a graph in detail. Okay, so let's start from the first one. So graph for uniform velocity motion, graphs for uniform velocity motion. How we in this session you understand the only conversion of a graph. If you consider uniform velocity motion, then v is equal to what? Constant. Uniform velocity means what? V is equal to constant. How you draw the graph of this motion? So we have three types of graph in this case: x versus t, v versus t, and a versus. So we have three types of graph. If velocity is constant, you understand it properly. Okay, if velocity is constant, see, if velocity is equal to what? Constant. When the velocity is constant, it means dx by dt is equal to constant. If velocity is constant, then dx by dt is equal to what? Constant. And what about acceleration? So acceleration is equal to dv by dt, that is equal to what? 0. क्यों? क्योंकि dv 0 होगा ना. What is dv? So dv is equal to v final minus a. If constant है तो v final v initial दोनों ही सेम हो, तो आंसर क्या होगा? 0. So when for uniform velocity motion means acceleration is equal to, not this, all of you guys, not this. When uniform velocity motion is considered, then acceleration is what? 0. So for this situation, if v constant, then dx by dt constant, then dx by dt. And what is dx by dt? That is a slope of x versus t graph. Slope of x versus t graph. Dx by dt means what? Slope of x versus t graph, which means x versus t graph is representing a straight line. For uniform velocity motion, x versus t graph represents a straight line. What is this actually? That represents a straight line. Okay, that's what represents a straight line. And v constant, it means does not change with time, does not change with time. So you understand first, if any graph is given to you, then you understand that all the terminology. V constant means what? It does not change with time. So you consider, suppose that velocity is constant, means some particular value, you consider this v is equal to what? Constant. अगर v constant है तो फिर this one is constant like this. It does not change with time. See, it does not change with it. It's same throughout the motion. It's same throughout the motion. Okay, so this one. So for the same purpose, for the same thing, if you draw the x versus t graph, for the same thing, if you draw the x versus t graph, so maybe x versus t graph is like this. Okay, and here I am drawing whatever I am drawing the graph is, suppose x, and this motion starts x is equal to 0. So at t is equal to 0, his object is at x is equal to 0. So see that slope is equal to constant. Slope is equal to constant means v is equal to constant. So this both the graphs are exactly same. This both the graphs are exactly same. This first graph is represents x versus t, means you draw the slope, and second graph v versus t. If v is constant, then dv by dt is equal to what? 0. What is this? V horizontal line. What is slope? Horizontal line. What is slope? Horizontal line slope is 0. So you want note this properly in your books. Okay, so here m is equal to 0. And what is the m in v versus t graph? dv by dt is equal to 0. If you consider dv by dt, what is the dv by dt? Acceleration. See, I am writing over here, acceleration is 0. See, why? If for horizontal line, if you consider any horizontal line, then slope is 0. And what is the slope in v versus t graph? V versus t graph slope is equal to dv by dt. X versus t graph slope is equal to dx by dt. So in the x versus t graph, that's a positive slope. In v versus t graph, that is a 0 slope. Okay, and the same thing you have to draw for the a versus t graph. Then acceleration is what? 0. Then you draw the line at 0. When the time is passes, acceleration is what? 0. What is the meaning of acceleration 0? Acceleration means dv by dt is equal to 0. Okay, all of you guys must be know this. Similar way you can draw the graph for negative velocity also. Let's we draw x versus t, v versus let's we draw the graph x versus t, v versus t, a versus t. Now we can think about the negative velocity. So suppose the velocity is this one, means velocity negative minus v is equal to constant along the negative x direction. Actually, suppose it is a x axis, suppose it is a x axis, here x is equal to 0, object is moving along a negative direction like this, so we call it is negative velocity. Okay, so here again dv by dt is equal to what? 0. Slope is equal to 0. It means acceleration is 0. So acceleration तो यहाँ पे भी 0 ही होगा, but v is equal to negative, it means slope is negative. Here v is negative, it means slope x versus t is negative. x versus t में slope भी कैसा होगा? Negative. So like this, see here slope is constant but in negative direction. So displacement कहाँ पे हो रहा है? देखो यहाँ पे x is equal to -5 पे पहुँचेगा, उसके बाद x is equal to -10 पे होगा. So see it moves towards the negative. So here again slope is constant, it means dx by dt is equal to constant, but direction, see this slope is 0, this slope is positive and this slope is negative, as we discussed in the previous sessions. So that is a negative. So this all those graphs are again similar, all those graphs are again similar, only the parameter is changed, coordinates is changed, xt, vt and at. So in this way we drawing this graph properly. Okay, all of you guys must be note this graph in your books, then after we are go to this next. Okay, note it. Let's see now graphs for accelerating motion. Now we are think about the accelerating motion. So if you consider as accelerating motion, then how we drawing the graph? So here understand we consider this conversion of a graph. Suppose you consider the a is equal to constant, like here in the velocity we consider the v is equal to constant. So let's consider a is equal to constant. A is equal to what? Constant. So again we are drawing the three graphs, x versus t, v versus t, a versus t. If a is equal to constant, then we are drawing the graph in such a way. Suppose this one. Suppose a is equal to constant. Okay, if a is equal to constant, then what is the meaning of this? A is equal to dv by dt is equal to constant. What is the dv by dt? That is the slope of v versus t graph. Slope of vt graph, which means which parameter is constant? Slope of vt graph is constant. Slope of vt graph is constant. So you are drawing this graph like this. We don't know what is this initial velocity, so I am drawing this graph from here. Okay, otherwise you know the velocity, then you just starting from this point. Okay, so here we can write down dv by dt is equal to constant, मतलब dv by dt constant है. So v तो increase हो रहा है, v constant है, dv by dt constant, मतलब slope constant है, v is continuously increases. So here v is increases, v is what? Increases. Okay, if you draw the same graph in x versus t graph, then you just understand it properly. Suppose you have to draw the x versus t graph. Which graph you have to draw? X versus t, and v is increases. Here v is what? Increase. You understand it properly. If you draw the graph like this, you draw any graph like this. Okay, x versus t. then it considers this 0.1, it considers this 0.2, this 0.2 and 0.3. So what is the velocity at 0.1? Let's we draw this one. Velocity at 0.1 is this one, v1. Velocity at 0.2 is this one, v2. Velocity at 0.3 is this one, v3. Why? See, in x versus t, slope of टेंजेंट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? वेलोसिटी. ऐसे हुआ ना, स्लोप ऑफ टेंजेंट इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? वेलोसिटी. ऑल ऑफ यू मस्ट बी नोट दिस, यू अंडरस्टैंड इट प्रॉपर्ली. ओके, इफ यू ड्रॉ एनी ग्राफ इन x versus t graph, if you draw any graph in x versus t graph and the slope of tangent, you find the slope of tangent, then this slope is gives us velocity. So here this v1 is negative, v2 is almost 0 and v3 is positive. So here v1 is what? Negative. v1 is what? Negative. v2 is what? 0. Actually there is a, you draw this horizontal line. Okay, v2 is 0 and v3 is what? Positive. So what do you think about this graph? v3 is highest, v2 is middle and v1 is smallest. Why? Negative. Actually minus 1 is less than 0. Minus 1 is what? Less than 0. So here you consider the simple thing, v3 greater than v2 greater than v1, like this. मतलब कि वेलोसिटी देखो इंक्रीज हो रहे हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट पे जो वेलोसिटी है उससे टू सेकेंड पॉइंट पे वेलोसिटी ज़्यादा है, उससे थर्ड पॉइंट पे वेलोसिटी. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? वेलोसिटी इज increases. Note this in your books. When the velocity is increases, you draw the x versus t graph like this. When the velocity increases, you draw the x versus t graph in such a way. Okay, not this. Means in such a way means this one, huh? This one, this white line. When velocity is increases, you draw this white line. Okay, all of you guys note this. Okay, let's see. So here what? Velocity increases. So how we draw this x versus t graph? So x versus t graph is draw in such a way. Okay, in such a way. If you just see the constant acceleration, but which constant acceleration? Positive, means positive acceleration, not only constant, but for positive acceleration, velocity speed is increases. So write down one note. For positive acceleration, for positive means for accelerating motion, not positive negative, but for accelerating motion, for accelerating motion, speed is increases. For accelerating motion, speed is increases. Okay, and consider this objects moving toward positive x direction. Objects, actually not consider this one, you just writing like this. This graph is like this, x versus t graph is like this. Okay, x versus t graph is like this for accelerating motion. For which motion? Accelerating motion, speed is increases. So if you draw this tangent to this one, so this one is what? v1 and this one is what? v2. So here v2 greater than v1, ऐसा लिख सकते हैं. अभी हमने समझा. तो फिर in this graph, if you observe this graph from the top, if you observe this graph from the top, just see from here, then the shape of a graph is a concave. The shape of a graph is what? Concave. If x versus t graph is concave from the top side, if it is concave from the top side, then this motion is accelerating motion. This motion is means positive acceleration. Means what? Positive acceleration. So let's we write down here, thus not properly. So if x versus t graph is, if x versus t graph is concave from top, कहाँ से देखना है? टॉप से. If it is concave from top, then acceleration is considered positive. वहाँ पे acceleration कैसा काउंट करना है? पॉजिटिव काउंट करना है. So acceleration is considered as a positive. Okay, so you must be understand it properly, where you just see the graph from the top and this it is concave. If it is concave, and what is acceleration? I am just given some idea about this. Acceleration is equal to dv by dt is equal to d square x by dt square, d square x by dt square. And what is this? Curvature of a graph, curvature of graph. At that time I am just write this नोट. ये टर्म क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है? तो कर्वेचर ऑफ ग्राफ रिप्रेजेंट करता है. देखो सी कर्वेचर, दिस कॉन्केव कर्वेचर. If it is concave curvature, then acceleration is positive. If concave curvature, then acceleration is positive. Okay, this is the note. And similar way, if it is convex curvature, then acceleration is negative. If convex curvature, then acceleration is negative. Okay, so write down this is also. If let's we write this separately, don't worry about this, but you just write first this note. All of you write this note, then after we are just go to this next, or not it. Okay, let's see. So here this is a which one? Concave curvature, and you see from the top, you see from the top. Okay, so this is the graph of ascending motion where A is positive. Now let's think about A is negative. If A is negative, again we are drawing the three graph, x versus t, v versus t, a versus t. If A is negative, what is the meaning of negative? Somewhere here. So A is constant but negative, maybe suppose A is equal to constant but negative. In which side? Negative side. See, so velocity is also, this A is negative means what? dv by dt is negative. A is negative means what? If A is negative, it means dv by dt is negative. It means slope is negative. Slope of v versus t graph is negative. मतलब कि ऐसा कुछ ग्राफ होगा. देखो, स्लोप इज नेगेटिव. स्लोप कैसा होगा? नेगेटिव होगा ना. अब जीरो है, पॉजिटिव है, तो ये क्या होगा? नेगेटिव. सो स्लोप इज अ नेगेटिव. सो इन दिस सिचुएशन, how we draw the graph? Here the see v is decreases. Here velocity is decreases. Here the velocity is decreases. Note this, velocity is what? Decrease. So let's we write this note again. So negative acceleration, write down this note. Negative acceleration is negative. What is the meaning of this one? If when the A is negative, if you draw the x versus t graph and you draw the graph in such a way, then you draw the two velocity v1 v2. So here v1 positive, v2 negative. देखो यहाँ पे क्या है? v1 पॉजिटिव, v2 नेगेटिव. सो मतलब वेलोसिटी डिक्रीज हुई कि नहीं? पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव तो डिक्रीज हुई, तो फिर वेलोसिटी डिक्रीज हुई. वेलोसिटी डिक्रीज हुई मतलब दैट्स इन दिस केस A is negative. In this case A is negative, retarding motion. In this case, what is this? Retarding motion. So when you just see the graph from the top, see the graph from the top. So if x versus t graph is, if you see from the top, then the shape is what? Convex. Graph is convex from top. then a is negative. Then how we write this acceleration? So acceleration is equal to dv by dt is equal to d square x by dt square. This is the curvature. What is this? Curvature. And here curvature is convex. Convex curvature. Then the acceleration is negative. अगर कॉन्वेक्स कर्वेचर है तो एक्सेलरेशन कैसा देना है? नेगेटिव. दिस इज द थ्योरी. ओके, ऑल ऑफ यू गाइस नोट दिस. इफ सी फ्रॉम द टॉप कॉन्केव पॉजिटिव एक्सेलरेशन, सी फ्रॉम द टॉप कॉन्वेक्स नेगेटिव एक्सेलरेशन. ओके, सो ऐसे आप लिख सकते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट वन. सो हियर ए इज नेगेटिव मीन्स यू ड्रॉ द ग्राफ इन सच अ वे. ओके, सो हियर दिस कॉन्वेक्स कर्व, ये कर्व कौन सा होगा? फ्रॉम द टॉप, फ्रॉम द टॉप. ओके, फ्रॉम द top, this is the corner. So by this way you just get the answer. You just understand this all this concept of the graph, and you understand here how to convert the graphs, how to convert the graphs. Okay, all of you guys note this, then after we are go to this next one. Okay, note it. Let's see some conclusions. So if you draw the x versus t graph, if you draw the x versus t graph, then slope is v. If you draw the x versus t graph, here slope is equal to what? V. And curvature is gives us acceleration. So x versus t ग्राफ में कर्वेचर क्या होगा? देखो ऐसा ग्राफ है तो फिर क्या लिखोगे आप? एक्सेलरेशन इज पॉजिटिव. तो ये कंक्लूजन है x वर्सेस t ग्राफ का. If x versus t graph is given to you and you have to find the velocity, then find the slope, and you have to find the acceleration, then find the type of curvature. Type of curvature, if concave positive acceleration, convex negative acceleration. Okay, second one, v versus t graph. If v versus t graph is given to you, then you find the slope. V versus t graph, you find the slope, then slope is equal to what? Acceleration. मतलब आपको उसमें एक्सेलरेशन मिलेगा. एंड यू फाइंड द एरिया. फाइंड द that is positive area, that is negative. If you find the area, then area is gives us displacement. What is this? Delta x is equal to v versus t graph area. That is a displacement. What is this? Displacement. And if you find the distance, then mod area is equal to distance. अगर आप सभी एरिया को पॉजिटिव लेते हो तो डिस्टेंस मिलेगा, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव दोनों साइन के साथ लेते हो तो क्या मिलेगा? डिस्प्लेसमेंट. ठीक है, सो v वर्सेस t ग्राफ कंक्लूजन. सी ईच ग्राफ गिव्स सम डेटा. x वर्सेस t ग्राफ स्लोप इज वेलोसिटी, x वर्सेस t ग्राफ कर्वेचर इज एक्सेलरेशन, v वर्सेस t ग्राफ स्लोप इज एक्सेलरेशन, v वर्सेस t ग्राफ एरिया इज डिस्प्लेसमेंट. सिमिलर a वर्सेस t ग्राफ, इफ यू ड्रॉ the a versus t graph and you find the area, so a1 and a2, then area is equal to what? Change in velocity. Change in velocity. Delta v means what? Change in. आप याद रखना, area doesn't mean velocity. Area of a versus t graph mean change in velocity, not velocity. Area of a versus t graph means change in velocity, not the velocity. Okay, so this is the conclusion and most IMP. So number of questions were asked in examination based on this graph, based on this situation. Okay, all of you guys note this, then after we are go to this next one. Okay, note it. Let me understand some graph properly. Understanding the accelerating motion, understanding of the accelerating motion in v versus t graph. v वर्सेस टी ग्राफ दिया है तो एक्सेलरेशन समझना है. v वर्सेस टी ग्राफ दिया है तो एक्सेलरेशन समझना है. ठीक है, सिंपल सिचुएशन है. So here the different positions is given, different position A, B, C, D, E, all those positions are given to. Let's consider here somewhere here v is equal to what? 0. In this direction v is positive, in this direction v is negative. ऐसा हम काउंट करते हैं. ठीक है, and the right hand side v is positive, on the left hand side v is negative. Let's understand it properly. Suppose you consider the point A. So at point A velocity is negative. See this velocity is measured on the v axis, velocity is measured on the v axis, and time is measured on the t axis. So velocity is negative at point A. So this is the 0. So downward side means what? Negative. Here the negative, and upward side means what? Positive. So velocity is what? Negative. So object is somewhere represent this negative velocity. So that is a point A. That is what? Point A. At A. Now at A, what about acceleration? So that's a straight line. A to B represents a straight line. So straight line means what? Slope is constant. Straight line means what? Slope is constant, means acceleration is constant. So at A acceleration is constant. Why? Straight line. तो यहाँ पे at A straight line. Straight line means slope is constant. Slope of v versus t graph acceleration. What is this? Slope of v versus t graph means acceleration. अगर स्लोप कांस्टेंट है तो एक्सेलरेशन कांस्टेंट है, ठीक है. सो एट पॉइंट ए एक्सेलरेशन कांस्टेंट. नाउ एट पॉइंट बी, at point B velocities become 0. See this one, see you just extending this point B on the v axis, so somewhere here. So this is represents VB, this point represents a VB. So VB is equal to 0, means objects is comes here. So at this point, at point A velocity is negative, at point A V is negative. Write down this negative like this, minus V, we just write minus V. Okay, and acceleration is constant. Again at point B, again there is a straight line. At B again what is straight line? So slope is constant, so acceleration is constant. Acceleration is constant. Now which type of slope? See, positive slope. So constant but positive acceleration. So write down this one, at A and B positive acceleration. At A and B what? Positive acceleration. Why? Slope is positive. Slope is positive, so acceleration constant, but both the accelerations are positive. And here velocity is what? If you think about velocity, then velocity is equal to what? 0. This is the point B. Now what do you think at C? So at C velocity is this one. This is VC, positive or negative? So at V positive as velocity. So let's consider this is the positive. So somewhere here consider that is a VC. That is what? VC. Okay, and positive side. So positive side. But what do you think about slope? You draw the slope. So slope is equal to 0, straight horizontal line, straight horizontal line. So slope is 0. It means at C acceleration is equal to what? 0. At C acceleration is what? 0. Now consider D. If you think about D, so this VB and VD both are 0. Again draw this graph somewhere here. Actually this both lines are same, but I am just drawing it below. So this point represents a D. This point represents a D. But there is a straight line. See at D, what do you think about? At D and E both are straight line, so acceleration is constant. And at point E, see velocity is negative, so at point E somewhere here, that is point E, so that is V is equal to 0 and minus V. But if you think about acceleration, then acceleration is equal to what? Constant at both. But this both the slope is straight line is given to us, but it is negative slope, then acceleration is constant and negative. मतलब दोनों की जगह पे स्लोप कैसा है? देखो, स्लोप इज डाउनवर्ड साइड, स्लोप इज along the negative direction. So this negative slope means A is equal to constant and negative. A is equal to what? Constant and negative. So by this way you understand the meaning of you understand the acceleration in a V versus T graph. If slope is 0, acceleration is 0. If slope is negative, acceleration is negative. Slope is positive, acceleration is positive. And you just measuring the velocity. in the v versus t graph, then just draw the projection on the v axis. You just take a projection on a v axis, you get the answer of velocity. Maybe it is positive, negative and everything. Okay, all of you guys must be note this graph in your books. Then after we are go to this next graph. Okay, note it. Let's see understanding of accelerating motion in a x versus t graph. So here we understand v and a. Here in this graph we understand v and a and x also. Okay, so here again 1 2 3 4 5 points are given to us, a b c d e. So let's consider this one is positive x axis, 0, positive, downward side, negative. Okay, so here also consider that is x, that is what x is equal to 0. In this direction positive, in this direction negative, and draw this one line. So in x versus t graph, write down x versus t graph, slope is equal to velocity and curvature is equal to acceleration. पता ही है, slope is so slope in x versus t is velocity and curvature in curvature is acceleration. So if you think about point A, so point A is having a negative displacement. So point A is somewhere here. Point A is somewhere here. Thus draw this tangent. So the tangent is positive slope, tangent having a positive slope. So at A, V is positive. V is what? Positive. And if you see its curvature, it's a curvature. If you see from the top, so at A, it's at A this like this. So if you see from the top, see actually this figure is like this. This is the point here. So that is a concave curvature. If concave curvature means what? That is a positive acceleration. That is what? Positive. Actual figure is like this. See, actual figure is like this, and this is the point A. So if you see from the top, so you just note it. Okay. So here we just write down that's a concave curvature. If concave curvature means what? Positive acceleration. So acceleration is also positive. So positive velocity, positive acceleration. Now you think about the point B. So at point B, displacement is 0. See, displacement is 0. So this point B is somewhere here. Point B is somewhere here. But this is the at B straight line. At B there is a straight line. Straight line means what? Velocity constant. Straight line means what? Velocity is equal to constant. If velocity constant, it means acceleration is 0. So in x versus t graph, at point B acceleration is 0. Why? It is representing a straight line. That is representing a straight line. So this acceleration is 0 and v is equal to constant. Now if you think about C, then that is the displacement. And this is what? Positive x. So C is somewhere here. C is somewhere here. Okay, and this is the positive acceleration, positive displacement. Okay, so like this. Now you draw the slope, because we want a velocity means what? Slope. Draw the slope at this point. Slope. So slope is equal to what? 0. Slope is equal to what? 0. Slope is 0 means velocity is 0. Velocity 0 doesn't mean acceleration 0. You must be understand it properly. Velocity 0 doesn't mean acceleration 0. If you draw the figure at C, then at C the figure is like this. This is the C. Now you see the graph from the top. Then this is what? Convex. See, the graph from the top is what? Convex. Convex means what? Negative acceleration. Convex means what? Negative acceleration. You just see, you understand. And here we draw the graph of slope is like this. Slope is equal to 0. Okay. So by this way, how we just note it here? Slope is 0 means velocity is 0. But which type of curvature? So convex curvature. So write down here the convex curvature. Convex curvature means negative acceleration. So acceleration is more negative. So v is equal to 0, but acceleration is negative. Now at D straight line. So at D straight line, what is the meaning of straight line? And D having a displacement again positive. See, D having a displacement, so D is somewhere here. Let's say I am drawing this figure. So D is somewhere here. D is somewhere here. Straight line means V is constant. Straight line means what? V is equal to constant, and V constant means acceleration 0. V constant का meaning क्या होता है? Acceleration 0. And if you think about E, then displacement is 0. See, at 0, displacement is what? 0. So here this is the representation of a point. E, displacement 0 हो गया. Now we draw the tangent. Again horizontal line. So slope is equal to what? 0. Slope is 0 means velocity is equal to 0. Velocity 0 doesn't mean acceleration 0. You see the graph from the top. If you see the graph from the top, then is a concave curvature. Concave curvature means what? देखो ऐसा है ना, ऐसा मतलब concave. Concave का meaning क्या होता है? देखो, what is the meaning of concave? So concave curvature means positive acceleration. So here acceleration is positive. Okay. So you must be understand. See, velocity 0 doesn't mean acceleration 0. Velocity positive doesn't mean acceleration positive. Velocity acceleration 0 doesn't mean velocity 0. Acceleration 0 doesn't mean velocity 0. Okay. So on this graph, I am just taking this point in such a way so you understand everything here. See, velocity and acceleration both are positive at point A. Velocity constant and A is 0 at point B. At C, velocity 0 but acceleration negative. At E, velocity 0 but acceleration positive. So every type of situation is possible during a motion. Every type of situation is possible during a motion. Okay. All of you guys must be note this graph in your books. Then after we are go to this next one. Note it.